This is Klartopedia school or college management software. It serves all the purposes that a school or college requires. It is designed by Klartigi, an IT company based at Chennai. So we have this a dashboard where you have overview of all the details of the school or college. So this is for the super admin, and we have basic settings of their accounts, school or college details, and logout option. So we also have the option to change colors as per their request or the convenience. We also have dark and light mode for a better usability. So we have action pending, so where they can select a particular date and see if the attendance of which particular class was not taken, also which class the homework was not assigned, and assessment details, and also the details of student leave request and teachers leave request. We have department management, so here we can see what all departments are there, the starting date and the type of the department, whether it is academic or non-academic. So this is one added advantage to manage all the departments in a school or college. We have house management or group management, where usually we have colors group in schools and colleges. So the same thing comes as a club in case of a college. We have subject management, where we map all the departments with the subject for easily managing it in different purposes. We have class management, where we have hall classes. So this can be created as per the board. So we can have multiple classes for a different board, so which is very dynamic. And we also have subject class teacher mapping. So here we can select for that particular class which subject is taken by which teacher for easy back check and all the other mapping purposes, and this will be used for the teachers visibility and everything. So we have period management, where you can name the period as per the schools and colleges wish, and also create the timing predefined. You have timetable management. Here it's just like a Google Calendar, it's very dynamic. Then we have teachers management. Under teachers management we have teachers all details, so which is viewable in list view and also in grid view. So these are multiple options to view it, which is very convenient for the user. So when you click on a particular name, it takes them to their profile. We have the complete profile viewed over here. In the same way, we have substitute planning. So here the teacher substitution will be available. Once the attendance is marked, we can substitute a teacher for a particular class for a particular period. So we have student management, so all the student details are here, and also we have same grid view and list view, and we can also adjust the columns as per the requirement. And also we have the option to hide a particular column based on the user preference. So we also have the option to export all the data in the required format. So we also have the bulk import and bulk upload option for the documents, and bulk import for all the data that we take in. So we have student analysis. So here we can select a particular class and the student for seeing that particular student's entire year academic performance, attendance, and also the ratings. So this is very useful in case they wanted to have a parents teachers meeting and they wanted to see a particular student's records. So then we have a consolidated report. So in consolidated report we can compare different exams and get a report for validation. We have student promotion for next academic year. We have monthly rating. So monthly rating is designed for students extracurricular activities, academic rating, and obedience rating, extracurricular activities rating, and overall comments. This is for motivating the students on a monthly performance. We have configuration for internal marks and ratings for this additional ratings or valuation that is done on the report card that's given to the students by the school. And we have staff management for the non-teaching staff. So here we can create all the non-teaching staffs, and we can map them to different departments and their role. All the details, personal details are taken here for the profile management. Here we have attendance option, where you can see the students, teachers, and staff attendance. So it is very easily markable and also viewable for the super admin. So this will be very easily understandable, and they get also the report of the attendance, number of days present, absent, and the attendance percentage. We have exam management, where we can create exams, schedule the exam, and also view the exam results. And exam results page, we have added the option of downloading the exam report card. So that is an added advantage. So it will be easy for the students to download their report card once the inputs are given by the teachers and approved by the principal. So we also have the internal marks viewable option and also the exam rating. So we also have fees management, where you can create the fee structure. Then we do the allocation, which is very dynamic and very easy to allocate. And here we make the fee entry. Once the fee entry is done for that particular day, we can also edit the whatever entry has been done. And once the entry is done, automatically the student from their login can download the fee receipt. So that is very convenient for the students. Fee pay details also visible in a very wonderful way. So we can provide many reports over here. So here we provide all courses that is provided by the school or colleges apart from the academics. So we have complete library management for very easy accessibility of the library assets, addition and entry. And we also have the option of tracking, so which staff or the student or anybody who has taken the library assets. Then we have transport management for seeing the live tracking of the bus and the bus route history and everything. We have the driver's details and the bus details. And we also give a reminder on insurance renewal and the documents, FC renewal, everything. So we have holiday management, and it is very wonderfully viewable on the phone as well as on the system. So we can know when is the holiday and it is by the school or the public holiday. We have leave request, so the superadmin can see what are the leave requests received by the student, staff or the teacher, and also the admin persons who are taking the high rank position. We have all events management. So here we have categorized into academic and non-academic or both. So here you will be able to see create all the events, so which will be broadcasted to teachers and the students. So we have the same way notice board management. So here all the notice board also will be divided into academic and non-academic. So assignment preparation, so we can add the photos and video and the PDFs, like it will be very useful for the teachers and the students. And we have special day greetings, so it is a special option which the school can opt, where will be uploading the digital marketing photos, so which is very helpful for the schools to market and share their content or the posters on a festival. We have access management. This is for the staff. The school can decide, the superadmin can decide what access he wants to give it to a particular staff, whether it might be attendance marking or only the fees management or the transport management or the exam management. The superadmin can decide. So it is designed very beautifully for the read and write access. So that is very beautifully done. Then we have a broadcast option, so we can have multiple broadcast. So we have different options over here, WhatsApp and messages and push notifications, everything very beautifully done. And here the broadcast, you can decide which class you wanted to send it to, or boarders boys and girls, or day boarders boys and girls, and also get the report of it. So we have a gallery option here, so where you can add photos and videos. So this will be shown to the teachers and the students. They can like, comment and download the document just like Instagram. So we have inventory management for the schools to maintain different departments inventories and the stocks, all the things for easy and report generation. So these are the things available on the superadmin login. So then coming to the teachers login, we have the dashboard to show them what are today's lecture, homework that they have given to the students, and the exams that has been planned to a particular class or the entire school or class wise they can see. And they can also see the notice board and events announced by the superadmin. They can also go to the lectures and see on a day format or week format, so what class that they have that for that particular day. We have timetable. Then we have student management, so they can see all students and can have access to everything. So student analysis, so all such things will be visible to them. They can give assignments or the homework. They can see the work, they can maintain a work log. So assignment can be very easily given just by clicking add button and giving which class, which subject and what is the title. And also can add PDF, JPG or anything for the student reference. They can also maintain a work log of their daily works, and they can also add exam results and see internal marks, exam ratings and exam scheduling. All these options are available to the teacher. They can also see the home holidays, and they can mark the monthly ratings that I shown you earlier in the superadmin. So the same options very easily, very convenient for motivating the students. Then we can see the live bus tracking. Then we can also see the raise a leave request to the superadmin, and they can also see if their leave has been approved or not approved. They can see the additional courses, library, what the books that I have borrowed, and if it is written or not written yet, events, notice board and the gallery as I told you. Then we have the students login. Here the student, we have the language localization option. So if the student wants to use the entire application, that is in case of parents, when the student's parents wants to use the entire application in Kannada, so we have the option of switching the entire application to Kannada in case of Tamil. So in Tamil, so in that case we are giving option for the schools. If they request for any other languages, we give that support. So in that case, the parents can use the application in their desired language. So you have no dashboard showing which current homeworks they have to be done, and the upcoming exams and exam schedules, and the library books that they borrowed, and notice board events on the dashboard. Then they can see the timetable of that particular student, and they can see their own attendance in a very beautiful way. So on a month, what is their attendance when they're absent and present? The explanation has been given below, beautifully done. Then we have student analysis. So once the data has been entered, the student can see the entire month attendance percentage in a graphical format, also the exam performance. So homework has been assigned, so homework whatever assigned to them, they can see. They can also see the past homeworks and upcoming homeworks. So when they go to the exams, they can go to the internal marks or exam results, and they can see. So we can go to the fees details, and they can see what is the fee paid and unpaid, and once they paid they can download the receipt from here. So it is very convenient for the schools to give out the receipts. They have ratings, they can select the month and they can see what is the rating that has been given to them. So that will be beautifully done. They can easily understand what is the rating that is being given to them. So we have bus live tracking, and then we have the student leave request, holiday, events, library, courses, notice board, and gallery as they are shown below. Thank you. So this is your Klartopedia, improving on a daily basis and a weekly basis. We are bringing in a lot of new features for learning and enhancing the experience of running a school or college, and also to make all the schools and colleges digital and meet up to the latest technologies. And we are bringing in AI models upcoming updates, so that it will help everybody. Thank you.